Hello guys, how are you? The question says A, B and C are three copper wires, have the same length but different in diameters. I have diameter of A, diameter of B, diameter of C respectively. At a certain temperature with the resistances RA, RB, RC respectively. Okay. The opposite graph shows the relation between the current passing through each wire and the potential difference across its terminals. Which of the following is true? So it's either the relation between the diameters or the relation between the resistors. First of all, let's take a look at the graph. Okay. We notice we can find the gradient of each line. We know that from math, gradient is actually the change of y over the change of x. And in our example here, the y is actually the current and x is the potential difference. So it's going to be the change of I over the change of v. Okay, which will give me 1 over resistance, because as we know from before, we know that resistance is actually V over I. So since the gradient is I over V, so the gradient equals 1 over R. So gradient and resistance are inversely proportional. We notice from the graph that gradient of A is bigger than gradient of B, which is also bigger than gradient of C. So this means that resistance of A is smaller than resistance of B, which is smaller than resistance of C, because we just agreed gradient is inversely proportional with the resistance. Okay, so we look at the options of the resistances, the C and D. We notice that none of them will show me or give me this relation, which means that C and D are wrong. Okay, so let's study the relation between diameters. Let me remind you guys of the formula of resistance. Resistance equals to resistivity multiple length over area. So notice here that resistance and area are actually inversely proportional. Okay, it is inversely proportional because the area is down here in the denominator. Okay, so from here I can say that area of A is bigger than area of B, which is bigger than area of C. Okay, again, because we agreed that resistance and area are inversely proportional, and we know that area and diameter are directly proportional. Area and diameter are directly proportional. So from this one, I can say that diameter of A is bigger than diameter of B, which is bigger than diameter of C. Okay? So it depends on the relation between area and diameter and resistance. We need to understand this concept. So the correct option is B. Okay, I hope it's clear. If you have any question, please leave it under the video. Make sure to subscribe to get more solution. Okay, have a great day. Bye bye.